My Indesit iwc8148 is flashing all the lights, and doesn't drain the water.
I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods plus years. And currently work well, no manufacturer. When all the lights flash, look at the row of lights on the far right. Number then from the bottom up with one at the bottom, which should be the door lock. Let me know which lights are lit up. Regards. Only one now, because I turned the machine off when they were all flashing at the same time. If I turn it on again, one and the start/pause button. Okay, have you checked the filter? If not, remove the plastic trim on the front at the bottom and there you will see the filter on the right. Now as it's full of water, you need to get a shallow try under there and slacken the filter, and this will slowly drain the water out. Or another way to get rid of the water is pull the washer out and lower the drain hose into a bucket and it will drain from there. Once the water is out, you can then fully remove the filter and clear out any debris from there. Then look inside the chamber where the filter goes, and at the back in there you will see the pump impeller X shape. Check Therese, nothing stuck in there jamming the pump up. Then once that's all clear, refit the filter and retry the washer, and fingers crossed that sorted it from there. Let me know how it goes. Regards.
Okay. Where is the washer?
Not sure what you mean. Do they mean the filter? If so, then it's behind the plastic trim on the front at the bottom.
Okay, sorry, my fault.
No worries, that's fine. If you're not sure of anything, just get back to me, that's not a problem at all.
I can't fully remove the filter as you said, it gets to a point where it doesn't unscrew anymore. Frown.
Okay, if you cannot fully remove it, then Therese, something stuck in there stopping it from unscrewing. Now Therese, two choices here. Either use a pair of pliers and turn the filter as hard as it can, this should get it from there. But there is a change, it can break, so that's a gamble if you do it that way. Or another way is lean the washer backwards against a wall and remove the screws from around the filter. Then you can drop the pump into a bowl and remove the hoses from the pump. Then with the pump off, you can clear out whatever is stuck in there and then remove the filter from there. Regards.
Brilliant. I took the safe option. It took me long, but it is all fixed now. Thanks, Daniel, your advice. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.